Hey, Michaela, it's James. Here's another quick little thing for you on new order. Hold on a second here. Let me pop in real quick over here. I'll do it on full screen so you can see it better. Um, so over here in the right-hand margin, I showed you where all these icons are. This one right here is catalogs, and you may want to just click in on this catalog right here, or on the catalogs, and this shows you everything that's available in different catalogs. This is the new summer stuff coming. This is the holiday stuff here, but there's also a 50% off catalog where you can look at off-price merch. And these are the current prices: 45 for 90, 42 for 120, so forth and so on. It'll be priced out on each one of them: 16 for 30. Um, and so anyway, I just wanted to let you know where those were so you can find them pretty easily. And then I'll take you back to your dashboard. And why is that not going back? There we go, brand portal. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Hope it's helpful.